Google's upcoming Pixel 10a is already creating excitement, even before its official launch. After months of rumors and speculation, Google has finally confirmed that the Pixel 10a will be announced later this month. While the company only showed one color in its teaser, new leaked renders have now revealed every color option that will be available for the device. These leaks are believed to be official marketing images, which gives us a clear idea of what to expect from the phone's design and style. According to the leaks, the Pixel 10a will launch in 4 different color options. These colors include a light gray shade with a slight green tint, a dark gray version, a purplish blue color, and a bold combination of red and pink. The official names for these colors have also been leaked earlier, and they are expected to be Fog, Obsidian, Lavender, and Berry. The Fog color appears to be the light gray version with a soft green tone. It gives the phone a clean and simple look, which many users may prefer if they like subtle designs. The Obsidian version is the dark gray option, and it follows the classic and professional color style that many smartphone users still enjoy. This color is likely to attract people who prefer a traditional and safe look for their device. The Lavender option brings a softer and more stylish appearance. Google already teased this color earlier, and it seems to be one of the more eye-catching options in the lineup. Lavender gives the phone a fresh and modern feel without being too flashy. It could easily become a favorite among users who want something different but still elegant. Then there is the Berry color, which stands out the most. This version combines red and pink tones to create a vibrant and bold look. The Berry color was leaked before, but the new renders show it looking brighter and more noticeable than expected. This option clearly targets users who want their smartphone to stand out and reflect a more playful personality. While the color options are exciting, the Pixel 10a itself may not bring many major hardware surprises. Reports suggest that the phone will be quite similar to the Pixel 9a. The Pixel 10a is expected to feature Google's Tensor G4 chipset, but with slightly higher clock speeds. This means users can expect a small performance boost compared to the previous model, though it may not be a huge upgrade. The camera hardware is also rumored to remain the same as last year's model. Google is already known for delivering strong camera performance through software processing, so keeping the same hardware might not necessarily be a bad thing. Many Pixel users rely on Google's image processing and AI features, which often help Pixel phones compete with more expensive devices in photography. Another important detail is the battery. The Pixel 10a is expected to include the same 500 mAh battery as its predecessor. This battery size should provide solid all-day performance for most users, especially when combined with Google's software optimizations. One positive rumor suggests that the Pixel 10a could be slightly cheaper than the Pixel 9a, at least in European markets. If this turns out to be true, it could make the Pixel 10a an even more attractive option for users looking for a reliable mid-range smartphone with strong camera performance and clean Android software. The Pixel 10a will officially be announced on February 18, which is not far away. However, the smartphone market is about to get very competitive around that time. Apple is rumored to launch the iPhone 17 just one day later on February 19. Samsung is also expected to release the Galaxy 7 Galaxy A37 soon, possibly before unveiling its Galaxy S26 series on February 25. This means the Pixel 10a will face strong competition from both Apple and Samsung. Despite the competition, Google deserves credit for offering multiple color choices. Many smartphone brands still focus on safe colors like black, gray, or white. While those colors are popular, they often leave little room for personal style. Google's decision to offer brighter and more unique color options gives users more freedom to choose a phone that matches their personality. Overall, the Pixel 10a looks like a familiar but solid upgrade. It may not introduce groundbreaking hardware changes, but it continues Google's strategy of delivering reliable performance, strong camera quality, and clean software. The new color choices also add extra excitement, making the Pixel 10a feel fresh and visually appealing. With the official launch just around the corner, it will be interesting to see how the Pixel 10a performs against its upcoming rivals in the mid-range smartphone market.